Welcome back. We're now doing homework problem 1 from chapter 4 for the Physics 110 CSUB class. Use the sun's distance of 150 million kilometers to calculate how long light takes to travel from the sun to the earth. So we want to figure out the time it takes light to travel a particular distance. This is going to be a distance, velocity, time problem. Chapter 4, number 1. The distance from the sun to the earth is the 1 AU distance, which is 150 million kilometers, as given in the problem statement, which could be written as 150 times 10 to the 6 kilometers. A million is 10 to the 6. I could also write that as 1.5 times 10 to the 8, but that's not required. A velocity, because we know it's light traveling from the sun to the earth, light has a particular speed it travels. We call it the speed of light. So we use the speed of light here. Sometimes you'll see the speed of light denoted with a lowercase c letter. It's 3 times 10 to the 5 kilometers per second. 300,000 kilometers per second, which I looked up in the textbook. You're not expected to know the speed of light. You'd be given that in any problem where you would need it, like you were given the Earth-Sun distance. We're trying to figure out the time it takes light to travel that distance at that speed. Velocity is distance over time. Multiply both sides by time, divide both sides by velocity. Time is distance divided by velocity. So our time will be the distance divided by the velocity. That number divided by that number. Make sure you're doing scientific notation correctly on your calculator, or using parentheses correctly to get the right answers. In this case, you should get 500. The kilometers cancel. 1 over 1 over seconds is seconds. 500 seconds. All they asked for was the time. We could leave the problem like that, but to make it more meaningful, I'm going to convert seconds into minutes. Every 1 minute is 60 seconds. So converts to 8.3 minutes of time for light to travel from the sun to the earth.